Hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to AWS This Week, and there are loads of great announcements this week. EFS now supports encryption in transit, Amazon Linux 2 LTS Candidate 2 is now available, AWS Lambda now supports Node.js version 8.10, and we announce our Guru of the Week. You're watching AWS This Week with me, Faye Ellis. EFS now supports encryption in transit, and for those who don't know, EFS or Elastic File System is the shared file system similar to NFS for Unix or CIFS for Windows. So this new feature allows you to easily create an encrypted tunnel between your EFS file system and its clients. It's really simple to configure, and there's also a new mount helper utility which helps you to set this up using a single mount command. So this is really great feature for those situations where the security of your data is a major concern, because it means that the data stored in EFS can now be encrypted both in transit and at rest. Amazon Linux 2 Long-Term Support Candidate 2 is now available. So this is a preview version of the next generation Amazon Linux operating system. So this new preview incorporates changes based on user feedback from the previous builds, as well as the latest enhancements from the Linux community. So expect to see a new kernel revision, new version of core packages like GCC, glibc, as well as overall performance enhancements. And although it's still a candidate release and it's not the final build, it's still a great way to get a sneak preview of what's to come in the next release of Amazon Linux. Lambda now supports Node.js version 8.10. So for those who are not familiar with Node.js, it's a runtime environment for executing JavaScript code outside of a browser. And it's often used for programming backend services, APIs, and it's widely used in serverless solutions. So this new version is great because it introduces new, much cleaner ways of handling asynchronous activities, as well as enhancements for error handling, better performance, lower memory consumption, and faster startup times. So this is especially important when you consider that the Lambda pricing model is based on the amount of RAM used and the time it takes for your code to execute. So on to Guru of the Week, and the correct answer this week was of course B, and loads of you got it right. But the person with the best answer is Lisa Walton, and Lisa is a senior storage engineer. So congratulations to Lisa. We're going to be sending you a Cloud Guru t-shirt, sticker, and hand-signed card in the post. And you're also in the draw to win a free ticket to join us at reInvent 2018. This week's question is now live on our Facebook page. See the link below. And that's it from me. You've been watching AWS This Week. Keep being awesome, Cloud Gurus, and I'll see you next time.